The magic of spring has finally arrived in Paris. Maybe.
Anywhere you go, you belong.
It's April, and the hope that the long, gray, cold, and wet winter is finally behind us compels me out the door in search of warmth and light. An older gentleman once told me during my first year in Paris that there is a special color that emerges in the city to announce spring. A unique, vibrant green that carries with it all that is possible in this season. I'm out in search for it. The park's annual reseeding has taken root. The terraces are getting rebuilt back out on the streets. The cafes along the Seine have begun restaking their territorial claims. And rebirth is observable in every corner of town. As anticipated, the peonies and sweet pea blossoms crowd the farmers' market. My favorite fruits burst with flavor. And my favorite pastry, the fraisier, a strawberry cream pastry, is again taking center stage. Sandals come out, toes get painted, and picnics are planned. There's even a cherry blossom festival in the Parc de Sceaux. And after 8 years in Paris, this is the first year I've remembered it in time to go and wander among the petals. I highly recommend it. But Paris is not as simple and straightforward as this all makes it seem. And the shower of cherry blossom petals is a bit misleading. You will quickly realize that Parisian spring is actually entirely schizophrenic. Rain showers are not at all ready to exit stage left.
It is raining. It is raining with blue sky, even directly above me. It is blue sky with like a little bit of gray, but basically blue sky. And it's raining. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And when you're wearing glasses and you have not been prepared in bringing an umbrella, it's even more ridiculous. I thought my umbrella days were over. See, I'm even wearing a scarf in spring. And like 2 days ago, it was 26 and I was bitching about how hot it was. It's just complicated being in Paris in the springtime. You never know when the insanity is going to end. Unbelievable. Pouring rain. Oh my God, it's never ending.
It is worth remembering the French proverb, in April, don't uncover everything at once. In May, do what you want. But of course, in French, it's far more poetic. En avril, ne te découvre pas d'un fil. En mai, fais ce que te plaît. And words to live by. What I share with you after 8 springs in Paris is to find the beauty in the unpredictability of this time. The fierce, sudden storms, the bursts of intense light, the blistering winds, and the captivating details of these moments of pause and transition.